South Floridians still feeling anxious or stressed after the hurricane season can get some help. And this has nothing to do with medication or even counseling. Well, are you still feeling a little out of sorts after the hurricane season, maybe a little anxious, a bit depressed? Well, instead of self-medicating or taking an antidepressant, you might want to try a therapy that involves electrical current. The University of Miami is offering a free session to anyone interested in feeling a little bit better.
All the hurricanes, everything, have a cumulative effect on me personally.
27-year-old Adam Roskind went through Hurricane Andrew in 1992. Now, the recent destruction of Hurricanes Katrina and Wilma have opened up some old wounds.
This was right after the hurricane. You know, I didn't have electricity for 2 weeks. A lot of issues came up, and I was not feeling myself.
To relieve his anxiety, Roskind decided to give Alpha Stim a try. It is the latest in cranial electrotherapy stimulation.
When I heard about this, I said, hey, this is a great alternative, because I'm really not for taking meds.
The Alpha Stim is an electrical medical device that generates electrical current in the microcurrent range, which means it's very small current that most of the time you can't feel.
Dr. Larry Goodman is a member of the hurricane relief team at the Wellness PSI Clinic associated with the University of Miami. Goodman says the Alpha Stim is sanctioned by the Food and Drug Administration to treat anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder, all conditions that many hurricane victims are still feeling.
They're experiencing everything from difficulty concentrating to panic attacks to depression to just the feeling of being overwhelmed. When we are not functioning normally, if you can normalize the bioelectrical charge, you'll improve the function.
Patients may need only one treatment, which can last about 20 minutes to an hour, or may need to come back for several treatments over a couple of weeks. According to the doctor, the Alpha Stim almost immediately improves a patient's condition.
They have this very peaceful, comfortable, rested, lightened up smile on their faces.
Amazingly and immediately, I felt relief. And it didn't go away.
Alpha Stim has donated a dozen of these devices to the University of Miami to help hurricane victims deal with their anxiety and their depression. If you're interested in learning how you could set up this one free 20-minute session, call 305-663-6681. Of course, we're also going to post that information right there on our web channel. Just go to local10.com. But I'll tell you, a whole lot of people have been calling and saying that they just feel kind of lousy and sad after Hurricane Wilma.
We're out of sorts, and who knows?
Yeah.
This can't hurt. We know that.
Could help, definitely.
Right.
Yeah.